Hey, today we're gonna make a quick stir fry with German ravioli called Maultaschen. This is by no means a traditional recipe. I'm gonna give it a twist with some Asian ingredients. So you're gonna take some Maultaschen and you're gonna cut each one in 4 pieces. As you can see, this ravioli have a meaty, spinachy filling with some bacon usually. That's the traditional one. You're gonna take 1 big onion and you're gonna cut it into half moons. Now we're gonna take 2 cloves of garlic and cut it also into slices. You're gonna continue by taking 1 small piece of ginger and dice it. Yeah. And you're gonna take 1 small chili pepper and slice it also. If you don't want it too spicy, you're gonna take out the seeds. I think this one is hilariously spicy again. I already feel it in my eyes. Do your chili peppers also have so many seeds usually? Tell me in the comments. You're gonna continue by taking 2 carrots and cut them into lengthy sticks. I'm gonna do that best. Maybe half it first. Half it in the middle. Not so good, but whatever. Like this. We're gonna finish off our chopping by taking some spring onions. I know these ones don't look by any means like spring onions, but they are. They're fresh from my garden, that's why they're a little bit smaller. But you can take about 4 regular sized ones. And you're gonna also chop them into lengthy parts. That's about it. Now you're going to take a bowl and crack 2 eggs inside. And you're going to whisk them until they're nice and creamy. Okay, let's fry. And now we're gonna fry our Maultaschen for about 5 minutes until they're a little bit golden. And stir occasionally. Yeah. When they are crispy, you're gonna take them out. Into a bowl or something. And you're gonna use the remaining oil in the same pan to fry your onion, garlic, ginger and chili. Fry it for about 3 minutes. you're gonna add in your carrots and your spring onion, and you're gonna fry it for another 3 minutes. Okay, now you're gonna add your Maultaschen back in. Give it a stir. Now make a little hole in the middle for the eggs. Put in your eggs. And stir it until it's cooked. Now you're gonna finish it off by seasoning it with a little bit of soy sauce to taste. And that's it! Ready to eat!
Okay. You banana.
What? Huh?
No. Eat. Taste of stuff.
I'm gonna do my little food taste. My food dance.